Step out of the vehicle.
Don't touch me. Are you kidding me?
Oh, what do we have here? This one is entitled Brat thinks she can't be arrested. Police prove her wrong.
Watch this brat turn a simple traffic stop into absolute chaos for thinking that she doesn't have to listen to the law.
The reason I stopped you is you failed to come to complete stop on Webster Avenue on Central there.
Yeah, gotcha.
Where are you headed?
Back home to Tom's River.
Tom's River?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where were you doing here?
I was visiting friends for a birthday party.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to them.
Yeah.
You got insurance in here too? Behind
Yeah,
you? Okay.
It should all be in there, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's all in there, but
Okay.
yeah. I'm not drunk. I didn't have any, like, yeah, I mean, I hear you trying to do a job, but
What?
I'm a local and, yeah.
No worries.
Yeah, it's all good.
Why would you offer up that type of information anyway? He didn't even ask you that.
Obviously.
All right, you can take that.
Thanks.
I'll be right with you, all right?
Sure.
The officer heads back to his vehicle with her info. While speaking to the suspect, he noticed her slurring and stumbling on her words, and could smell a very strong alcoholic odor on her breath. He informs his backup and prepares to conduct a field sobriety test. Her reaction to this, however, is anything but pleasant.
I bet.
Alrighty. So, listen, did you have anything to drink?
No.
You did not?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Listen, would you mind step out of the vehicle and perform a series of tests just to make sure that you're not intoxicated?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
If you don't, it's better that you do. Okay.
Okay, well, all right, hold
Well,
on.
so
one second.
listen.
Let me just call my friend. This is ridiculous.
So, essentially, if you don't provide the field sobriety test,
Yeah, I'll provide it, but you just gotta wait. Why is this not opening?
She don't know how to open her car door? Is she that drunk?
There is not opening.
There you go.
there you go.
Oh, thanks.
You had it locked.
What a jackass. This is not going to go the way they want it.
No, come on.
Come on, what are you doing?
Stop reaching.
All right, stop. Step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am.
Excuse me. Don't
Hey,
touch me.
step out of the
Don't
vehicle.
touch me.
Hey, you will be arrested. Get out of the car.
Get out
Get out of the car.
Get out.
And another drunkie strikes again. If the cops ask you to do something, why you can't just do it? Why you got to start getting all belligerent and shit?
Kidding me? Are you kidding me? You mother. Are you kidding me?
Stop it.
Oh my
Stop
God.
resisting.
What the resistance?
Stop resisting.
Holy can't wait to take you to court. I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your arms behind your back.
You're going to get sprayed right now. You will get sprayed.
What?
Pepper spray. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
What have you been a cop?
We're still temporary out here.
A half a year. A half a year? Yup.
That one's on you.
Yup. August, that was your
Female 41 out here.
Listen, roll over.
She 41? Oh, no, he was saying 41 is arrested.
Pick me up, you. Come on. Who the do you think you are?
A cop that's arresting you?
Yeah, Mom.
Hamilton, Barnegat.
Right in my. How about that?
What?
Hold this over real quick. Yep. Hold on there, stuff. Okay, hold her. I want to get my cuffs on.
You gotta hold me because you're too. You pull me to the ground.
Stop.
No,
Stop.
you pull me to the
Stop
ground. You pull me to the ground. You pull me to the ground, and you had no right to throw me to the ground, you mother. Where's the doctor?
I mean, he kind of had every right. You was not listening. I mean, they low-key did have every right. You was not complying. You start going off. I would have arrested your ass before you even started all of that.
I want to see you, Sergeant, now. Now.
Stop.
Don't tell me to start. What the are you, cunt? Where's your sergeant? Now.
Inside.
Get in.
Hey.
I'm giving Sergeant a call really quick. Hey, you got punched right in the face?
Yeah, she smacked me.
She smacked you? Yeah.
She refused to get out of the vehicle.
For what? Field sobriety?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she was reaching in there for like a minute.
What was she
Upon being
reaching for?
requested to take a field sobriety test, the suspect has a complete meltdown and swung at both officers' faces as they tried to remove her from the car. They conduct a search of her vehicle under suspicion of her trying to hide something like paraphernalia, based on how long she was reaching around in her purse. They find nothing inside the car. However, inside her purse contained multiple different prescription opiates under names that weren't hers. The officers keep note of this to conduct a proper and thorough sobriety test back at the police station. The suspect makes sure to let officers know how she feels on the way there.
Yo, I going to jail.
You're not allowed to touch my car.
County 47, starting mileage.
And you have a body cam on?
I do.
Oh, good. I can't f***ing wait for that. Turn back, oh, f*** you. Turn back.
7, 6, 4, 5 points here.
You don't f***ing throw me to the ground for no f***ing reason, you f***ing... What are you, 10?
22.
Piece of shit. How dare you? Piece of shit.
Boyd, you 10-3.
I'm going to meet you 10-3.
Copy that.
You have no idea who the f*** I am.
Oh, God, here we go.
To the ground like a f***, no f***ing reason? The f***? What are you,
You need
10?
medical?
Shit, that's how old you acting?
I'm going to come in and give you a hand as well.
Copy that.
Get out of this f***ing car.
Yeah, I
Let me
believe
do
so.
my field sobriety
Initial
test
was 4.
and then pass it, you can f*** yourself. You can treat this way. There's one thing about a drug. Nobody knows who you are. It doesn't.
The suspect was arrested for driving under intoxication, failure to comply with an officer,
I knew
resisting
it.
arrest, and assaulting an officer. In total, she was hit with 4 different charges, all for refusing to do a simple sobriety test.
Damn.
While she would have gotten arrested regardless, 1 charge is definitely not as bad as 4. If you enjoyed this video,
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.